At American Steel Carports, Inc., we believe in our vision to help bring yours to life. For over 25 years, we've been committed to building quality metal structures that not only meet but exceed our customers' expectations. Pioneering the metal carport industry as one of its earliest innovators, we specialize in crafting an extensive range of top-tier structures, all driven by our unwavering commitment to delivering high-quality, engineered, certified structures. Our services are now recognized nationwide with 5 locations: Texas, New Mexico, Indiana, Illinois, and Pennsylvania. Our aim is to exceed expectations in all aspects of our service, from carports to fully enclosed garages, barns to custom buildings. Our range of products is designed to cater to all your needs, whether it's for your home, your farm, or your business. We understand that every customer has unique requirements, and that's why we offer personalized solutions and flexible financing options. We have thousands of satisfied customers who trust American Steel Carports, Inc. to protect their investments with strength and style. Visit our website or call us today to find out how we can help you build the perfect structure for your needs. Versatile, strong, built to last. American Steel Carports, Inc.